As we were searching through homes and going to the various websites, filling out all the filters, and every time that we would do that, it was always a Tabor home at the top of the list. So it just kind of checked all the boxes for us. We bought a move-in ready home. We were moving in from another state and didn't have the several months to wait on construction, needed a place to go, and once we saw the move-in ready homes, how beautiful they were and ready to go, it was perfect.
We really like Yukon in general. It's just a really kind of family-oriented place.
We had a really good experience with our salesperson. It always felt like we could text him or call him or email and we would get a response really anytime.
We love just all the finishes in our home. The kitchen is absolutely beautiful.
And one of the things we identified early on that we wanted was a tornado shelter. And of course, since Tabor puts one in every home, that we figured that's one of the reasons they were perfect. We got one of the homes with a bonus room, and the layout is just perfect for us. All the kids' rooms are on one side of the house, the master bedroom's on the other side, and then the bonus room. And I think we knew we would use the bonus room, but I think it surprised us how useful that is. I mean, it's a place for the kids to play, it's a place for us to have our exercise equipment, we've got a TV up there, and so
have guests.
Exactly, we use it as a guest room, and I think we just never realized how beneficial that room would be. They helped us with the walkthrough and the, finding the blemishes beforehand, and that was helpful to kind of tell us what we were looking for.
We'd absolutely recommend Homes by Tabor. We say all the time how much we love our home. We'll just be walking around our house and say, I really love this place. So we definitely recommend it.